Hey guys, it's Tatsuya from Muscle Watching. No need for hard or long workout. All you need is 1 kilogram dumbbell. Just 1 minute a day is enough. Try it 30 days and see amazing results. The exercise is easy to do. Do 3 reps and hold 10 seconds. Then 4 reps and hold 10 seconds. Finally 5 reps and hold 10 seconds. That's all. In total, you do 12 reps and 30 seconds. Recent scientific research has shown that slightly challenging workouts are enough. You don't need to push yourself to the limit. A little bit of effort every day is all you need. No more need to go to the gym or spend hours working out. This workout will tone your muscle and improve your appearance. So let's get started. My first workout. Here we go.